What's good? We back with another video. Welcome to the channel. My name is AL. This is F.O.M. Dtf, and we here, and it's a lovely day. The sun is out. It feels so good outside. And let me see what exactly. It's actually 64. It's not too bad for 64, but we got a lot on the schedule. I gotta go make a couple errands. Gotta go take care of this headliner. I mentioned that before, that my headliner start coming down. I don't know. So we gotta go get that taken care of. I can't ride like that. I'm not riding a bucket, so I cannot do that. I don't know why it came down, but it just looks so funny. You can see in the background, it's crazy as hell. Looking at it like, man, wow. But anyways, we went to a customer's location, helped them with a printer installation. So it was a successful run. So far as for the installation, installing the printer and the powder shaker and whatnot, but the software that they had was not compatible with the actual printer. They had CAD link, and I asked them was they CAD link for a wide format. They said yes, it was, and they ended up having a desktop version, but they end up updating it, but some way, somehow, they wouldn't let them access the program. So whatever reasons it had, we tried. I was giving them some pointers, and they know a lot of things themselves. And they also had an Alcorip, an old version of Alcorip, a 10.5 version. And it didn't work because they haven't used it in so long. So I didn't understand that, but try to plug the dongle in and did not want to read it. And I was asking the customer that, hey, is this the same computer that it was installed on? I said, yeah. I said, oh, that's why I was crazy. So we couldn't do any, so far, test prints. But so far as with the conversion and everything and the nozzle check, everything turned out to be perfectly fine. I didn't want to record it. I could have recorded it, but I didn't want to record it. I was like, nah, I'm not really going to, go too deaf. But it'd have been some good content. But at the same time, hey, it is what it is. But yeah, so we're going to go back to the location maybe in another day or so, or when I get the situation figured out with the software issues, and hook everything up. We already had basically set the powder shaker temperature and the actual, we set the temperature on the powder shaker, and what else did we do? That's basically it. So powder shaker, we did. The conversion of the printer and everything was set up together. Installed the film, everything was perfect. Nozzle check was great. But for some reason, the software just wasn't compatible. I mean, it just wouldn't want to accept his product key. He installed the update and it was updated, but he just couldn't open it. So I was like, wow. We sat there for another hour or so. But it was basically, you had to reach back out to the manufacturer where you got it from, and they can take care of whatever little glitch he was having. So that was the issue right there with that. But other than that, it was good. And yeah, but you don't want to have, issues like that with the software. You probably want to have it already, up and going. So when you do, have a person come out, not saying it in a bad way, if everything can go smooth, we don't got to troubleshoot anything, so it'll be a perfect job printing. Go right out the door, it'll have everything locked in. But yeah, so we steady trying to work with getting everything together so far with the brand and so not really too much a big deal, but yeah, we just trying to get everything together, so that's basically about it for right now. And after I finish my little trip, running my little errands, I'll fill you guys in more of what's going on. So, stay tuned.